Everyone, this is Kijo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ng reaction video, ang Dawn Bell compilation. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ay, ano to? Matagal na to. Hanap pa tayo ng iba. Ay, ito talaga. Gusto ko. Ito gusto
Si
ko to.
Antoinette Ramos at
Gusto ko to. Actually, napanood ko na to. Parang gusto ko siyang panood. Ito si Donnie. Ano si Bell sa gilid eh. Andun talaga si Bell sa gilid. Sure talaga ako.
Sorry.
Donnie, bakit
Dalawa
direct?
po. May dalawa. Ay, parang di nila naiintindi.
Oo. Direk, ikaw yung hindi
Mikey!
nakakaintindi.
Ito si
Ang
Mikey,
gusto
sure.
nilang i-mine
Kasi
ang
never.
Dawn Bell. Direk,
Hindi nyo kailangan
sinasabi ko
mag-mine.
sa'yo. Chatek.
Okay. O game, tapusin na natin to.
Direk, hindi mo sila naiintindihan. Chatek.
Yes, mommy. Ito, ang last question natin. Question natin. Ilan ang kapatid ni Cheska?
O, G at Lin, go!
Feeling ko 12, Derek.
Ang sagot po ay...
Ang ganda na ba?
Ang sagot.
Haha, di kayo sure.
Ang sagot.
Hello.
Okay.
Ang totoo po, ang sagot ay...
Meron po akong isang kapatid
Isa.
na merong asawa
Ayun!
na buntis.
Okay.
Maganda to.
Ay,
Do you
ito
think I'll still be an important person in your life 20 years from now?
Ay.
Of course!
Ay.
You were a big part of my life. But ngayon pala nag-live.
Napanood ko na pala to.
For me, I wanna try, gusto ko matry mag-suspense or magbida kontrabida.
Bida kontrabida yung
Gusto
talagang
ko talagang matry. I think that's my dream project. Yeah.
maybe something related to a kontrabida din. Kasi hindi ko rin naranasan yung ganun din. Di ba? Parang akala mo good boy siya, tapos magugulat ka sa gitna na, ano yun? Bakit ganun siya? Siguro ganun. Yung parang ganun na, na genre. May konting thriller na,
Yes.
I don't know, something with a psycho, siguro.
For me, I wanna try, gusto ko matry mag-suspense or magbida kontrabida.
Bida kontrabida yung
Gusto
talagang
ko talagang matry. I think that's my dream project. Yeah.
maybe something related to a kontrabida din. Kasi hindi ko rin naranasan yung ganun din. Di ba? Parang akala mo good boy siya, tapos magugulat ka sa gitna na, ano yun? Bakit ganun siya? Siguro ganun. Yung parang ganun na.
Ulit na lang kung ano sinasabi at naririnig nyo sa isa't isa. At paulit-ulit na lang yung nararamdaman.
I think that's also why we've really chosen to keep a lot of our private life super private.
Yeah.
Kasi whatever people don't really know, they can't really ruin, diba? They can't really talk about. So
Yeah.
that's why also, me and Belle really never talk about those kinds of things. Because for us, parang hindi na dapat parang namimix sa trabaho, yung ganun. Kasi doon na lang nga tayo nagkakakilala talaga sa isa't isa in a way that's not through work, diba? So, yun, parang sobrang important sa aming dalawa yun, yung parang nung panahong kasagsagan ng He's Into Her, yung ganun, we have to like dim out the lights, the noise, and really just focus on like both of us, diba?
And as public figures, na parang, di ba, parang aring-ari na nila tayo. Masarap din na may nakikip tayo sa isa't isa na atin lang to.
Yeah, that no one will really ever fully know.
Plus also, parang sa atin na to,
Hindi pwede makita to.
it makes it more special
Yeah.
and meaningful.
Exclusive lang, di ba? Ang
Yeah.
nakaramdam nito kami lang. Ang nakakita nito kami lang. Yung ganun. Ang nakaranas nito kami lang. Hindi namin i-share sa lahat.
Lalabas ko yan.
Correct. Sarap yun. Naiintindihan ko yun.
Yeah.
Pero now, syempre hindi na kayo mga bata. Oo, nagigets ko yun. Dati, pag nag-i-interview ako, nung wala pa akong ayon, hindi ko pa ako naka-experience ng ganyan. Yung, naiinis ako pag ayaw mag-share nung guest. Kahit yung simpleng, kayo na ba? Or anong nangyari? Hindi ko naiintindihan kasi parang arte naman ito, di ba? Guest pa ayaw naman mag-share. Nung naranasan ko na siya na parang, kaya pala hindi sinishare lahat. Kasi masarap din sa pakiramdam na kayo lang ang nakaranas at may alam ng mga bagay na yun.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why even us, when we're always asked that, diba? That's always a question. Ano bang totoong status ng Don Bell? Kami kasi parang ang dami na naming pinagdaanan. And we have also never revealed anything because, you know, it's something that was, you know, we cherish. It's something very special to both of us. And I think we've gone through so much to understand that parang we mean so much to each other. And why will we want other people to still have a say in like whatever it is?
Bida kontrabida yung
Ano sa good for
I think that's my dream project.
Bida contributor.
I really don't know what I want to do next kasi it really depends on the story. What else? Maybe something related to a kontrabida din kasi hindi ko rin na
Tingnan naman
naranasan.
yung mga tinginan ni Beth.
Parang
Tingnan mo naman yung
akala mo
tinginan
good boy siya
ni
tapos
Beth.
magugulat ka sa gitna na.
Yes, gusto ko yan.
Ganun siya.
Boy, pero...
Siguro ganun.
Hindi.
Parang ganun na
Gusto ko yan.
may konting thriller.
Yun, hindi mo alam mo ino sa
I know, something with a cycle.
Pagbukas mo,
Siguro.
ang pump ng chest mo.
As for advice,
Hindi mo kaya.
siguro always be there for one another. Always support each other and communicate.
Yeah, kasi kaya rin namin ginagawa ito ni Belle is because we know there are so many love teams also still coming and we don't want them to feel obliged to do things that they feel pressured into doing. Siyempre, being in a love team is amazing. There are so many great perks, diba? But we also want to show them you could also be yourself. You could also find your own line, grow, and be mature. And that's the reason why, even if this is something that's new and that we're not so sure, you know, what's going to happen in the future, we really want to take this step. So we want to tell all the upcoming love teams na it's okay to be yourself. It's okay to do other projects. It's okay to, you know, change things around. As long as you guys communicate with each other and support each other. Kasi ganun kami sa isa't isa. Sobrang open lang kami ni Belinda. Lahat talaga pinag-uusapan namin. So, yun talaga yun.
Sana all. Sana all napapag-usapan.
Bida kontrabida yung
Gusto ko talaga try. I think that's my dream project.
Ganda ni Beth.
I really don't know what I want to do next kasi it really depends on the story. What else? Maybe
Doon, may hanggang
something
dulo na talaga to, promise.
related to a kontrabida
Di
din
ba,
kasi
ma'am?
hindi ko rin na naranasan yung ganun. Diba? Parang akala mo good boy siya tapos magugulat ka sa gitna na ano yun? Bakit ganun siya? Siguro ganun. Yung parang ganun na
Doon, may hanggang dulo na
chant,
talaga
may
to.
konting thriller na
Sa kandalahin.
I don't know, something with a cycle siguro.
As for advice,
Ganda ni Belle. Anyways, that is how we for today's video. From Don Bell, this is Kiyama Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!